Hey guys, so today I am dyeing my hair in public. I got my friend Steve here to help me, and this is going to be exciting. So we are at Dutch Bros, and let's see what happens. Ready?
Yes!
Yes, okay.
Some verb I ain't talking down. You wanna ride in the 6?
In the shot.
I'm doing this so wrong.
You're fine. Just cover all the white parts.
Kiss. You said I'll probably send you some pics, and I'm like, hell no.
Bryan, if I make a movie, will you edit it for me?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. If you write me a screenplay. She's like, I don't like to write. She's like, I'll like do a voice memo about it.
I want that cruel love. Body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding on my.
So I am in this play that
You're in a play?
Yeah, I like randomly audition. So
Where
like
at?
Scottsdale fashion play. So I was staying at this Airbnb in Scottsdale for my friend's birthday. We all planned to meet up at the mall. And like I went to the mall and I waited for an hour and like nobody showed up, so I just started walking around. So I saw like this bougie looking like complex thing. They had like all these different playbills on the wall, so I was like, okay, bet. And I just came in to ask a bunch of questions, but they just so happened to have like walk-in auditions that day. And so I was like, I might as well try out even if I don't make it. And I tried out and I made it.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so cool. What's your show?
I have 10 different shows, and they're all throughout August. It's $17
Oh my
a ticket.
god, you have to invite me.
Yes.
Have fun while you're in the limo. Yeah, you wanna ride in the 6. You wanna dine in the 6. And when I lean for the kiss, you said I'll probably send.
I kind of want to do mine, but like,
Do it.
what if it doesn't wash out all the way?
But I don't think we have enough dye for it though.
only lasts 5 to 10 shampoos.
Yeah, but I have like light blonde hair.
Cindy, I don't think we have enough dye. Maybe you could do your tips.
I feel like we do actually.
Just the tip.
Our drinks have never changed.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Drink.
Let's go get our drinks.
What's up, guys? Aiden, follow me on Instagram, a.widen.
Yeah, no, we're filming for his YouTube channel today.
Oh, are you like dyeing hair?
Yeah.
Whose hair is being dyed?
His.
Oh, cool. Yeah, nice. That's stylish.
I know, right? I like
Wait, what's your YouTube? I'm gonna show my mom so she'll be proud of me.
that you made friends.
Yeah, I'm gonna be like, Mom, look, like, I'm on YouTube.
We just finished dyeing my hair. Now we're gonna wait 20 minutes before we wash it out.
Babe, don't make a sound. 2 a.m. low, gotta keep it down. Don't wait around for.
Okay guys, so it's been 20 minutes and now it's time to wash it out.
Body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my,
Hey Dutch people, do you have a garden hose we can use?
losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my,
We have one more bottle.
Well, we have the ice water too. Yeah.
on my, on my, on my.
See, it's still running pink. I think it's out.
It's definitely not out all the way. Eric, we're gonna use your water. Yeah, you're good.
ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I nominate the people down below.
Bryan, tell us about today's sponsor. Okay, so today's sponsor is
Colorista.
Nice.
You did good, Bryan.
Wait, is this not the pastel one?
Dude, he looks like fucking Markiplier.
Oh my god.
No,
Don't
like,
worry, I got you.
Like my jacket that I wore from the day I dyed my hair pink is still pink.
Okay guys, so that happened. So that happened. Sarah here in public. I have a new video coming out this Thursday. Subscribe, watch it, let's go on more adventures together. Ring that bell. Ring that bell. Click the notifications bar, and yeah, let me know what else you want me to do. Bye guys.
Okay, awesome.